Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we are going to explain how to handle a music copyright claim from YouTube. So you can see here, we've got yet another one. The music is being claimed by Jam Studio. And yes, we did use that as extremely subtle background music in an old video from years ago. Now, I'm 90% sure that we have a paid license for this music. However, at the moment, I can't find it. This is an old video. I don't want to put a lot of time into it. What are my options and what happens to the revenue? Normally what you do is just simply click this link at the bottom. And yes, by the way, for the last couple of years, at least in my case, this little blue button has looked like this. I can't read it, but because I've seen enough of these, I know that's the link. So you click the link and it takes you right to here. I have seen periodically, including in this particular case, a problem with the link. So you click the link and it says, oh, something went wrong. What does that mean? What you have to do is go find the video in question, which I did, and then look on the right side and look for restrictions. Put your mouse over it, click see details, and bingo, you're right back where you were. Let's take a look at the actual infraction. We'll click see details. And they have marked it here. I'm not going to listen for a second because, of course, this video will pick up that song, and then this video will be flagged. You can click take action down here, or you could simply click it here if you already know the infraction and that you need to do something. Normally what we do is take click action, we click dispute, and continue, and we select we have a license, and you don't actually have to prove you have a license. You simply write in here that you do have it. We often get our music from Jamendo. By the way, it's completely unsponsored, so if you find the video useful, thumbs up would be super appreciated. But I digress. The point is, we do license the music that we have. We also get a lot of the music that we use through Camtasia, which is licensed for commercial use. So you simply explain that in here and check your boxes and off you go. But in this case, like I said, I can't prove it. Damn! I don't want to put in here that we do have a license, even though I'm really sure we do, and then have the copyright holder say, yeah, I don't think so, and then have YouTube flag me as being a liar. I'm not going to risk it. I'm just going to change it out. So let's click back, click take action. You can trim out the entire segment of the video. Probably a horrible idea. You can replace the song with music from YouTube's free catalog. I don't want to do that, especially in this case, it's just background music, and I'm never confident that YouTube will get the volume right. Erase Song didn't exist until 2015, and it did a horrible job. Then in 2024, YouTube had completely overhauled it and it got much better. But in 2026, they just did it again, and now it's done with AI, and it's much better. And we'll get to the revenue in just a second, by the way, after we do the Erase Song. So click Erase Song, and we don't want to mute all the sounds. We simply want to erase that song while keeping all of the other sounds, including the speech, which is the most important part of this. So I'll click save. I acknowledge that these changes are permanent and I can no longer retrieve the original. Yeah, okay, well, it's what it is. I'm going to click confirm changes. Now, this is going to take a while to take effect. Let's explain the money. Probably the biggest thing you're worried about is the money that you've already brought in. That's safe. When a company, or for that matter, a person makes a music claim, the revenue for the entire video, not just that portion, but the entire video, goes to them from the moment that the claim is made until the moment you do something about it. The only exception to that is if you can claim and they accept that you have a license, which we've already explained, in which case all the revenue keeps going to you and you're on your way. But in this case, we will lose the revenue from the last couple of days on this video, which isn't very much. It's quite old, and I don't have a choice. All right, it's been about 10 minutes and the music has been stripped. The copyright claim is cleared. Let's hear what it sounds like.
And say, yeah, we'll just send somebody out. But service is scheduled. They will not write it down.
It's not absolutely perfect, but it's very good. And especially for an old video, it's good enough for me. I just don't want to lose my existing revenue or future revenue on this old video. Hey, if you found the video useful, please give us the big thumbs up. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Or you can leave a question or comment below. And if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, yeah, everybody's got an opinion. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.